At the beginning of the last year, I had just a couple of days to prepare for a flight to travel to a different city to attend the marriage ceremony of one of my cousins. It was an unexpected invitation, and I had to make quick arrangements to ensure I could be present for the special occasion. With limited time, I had to act swiftly and efficiently. Firstly, I requested leave from my university to be able to attend the wedding. Then, I had to manage all the necessary logistics, such as booking the air ticket, reserving accommodation, and organizing transportation from the airport to the wedding venue. Additionally, I needed to do some shopping to ensure I had appropriate attire for the various events during the wedding celebration. Despite the time constraint, I managed to handle the preparations fairly well. I immediately contacted my university and took a week's leave. I efficiently researched and booked a suitable hotel near the wedding venue. I made a comprehensive list of the things I needed to pack and completed my shopping within a short span of time. I ensured that everything was in order. Although the hurried preparations did cause some stress, I felt a sense of excitement and anticipation as well. It was thrilling to have the opportunity to be part of such an important family celebration. The time pressure motivated me to stay focused and organized, making the most of the limited time I had. In the end, attending the wedding was a memorable experience. Despite the short notice, I managed to reach the city on time, fully prepared to celebrate the joyous occasion with my cousin and our extended family.